Hi, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location. And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of reviews is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about the amenities of this property, so you can see on the screen. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.